Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. I'll stand by you, be like. 1. Your snacks drop. I'm helping you rescue the last chip. Reason, comradeship, even with the little things. 2. You're carrying too many bags. I've got one. Reason, sharing the load makes life easier. 3. Loss, we'll figure it out the map together. Reason, 2 minds are better than 1. 4. Feeling nervous. I'll cheer from the front row. Reason, encouragement boosts confidence. 5. If plan A fails, we'll invent plan B and maybe plan C. Reason, good teammates don't give up. 6. I'll stand by your side like a loyal adventure buddy. Reason, support brings comfort. 7. Need backup. Consider me your friendly sidekick. Reason, teamwork makes challenges easier. 8. You can count on me even before the countdown ends. Reason, being dependable builds trust. 9. I'll be there faster than someone hearing free pizza. Reason, true comrade shows up when needed. 10. Big challenge. Let's tackle together. Reason, working together reduce stress. 11. I'll help you through the rough patches. Reason, kindness helps people keep going. 12. I'm on your side. No secret handshake required. Reason, loyalty doesn't need fancy rules. 13. Need someone to listen. I make ears. Reason, listening is a powerful way to support someone. 14. If you stumble, I'll help you get back up. Reason, comrades encourage each other after setbacks. 15. I'll walk beside you one step at a time. Reason, progress is easier with company. 16. I'll back up like the world's friendliest teammate. Reason, reliable support builds confidence. 17. We'll face this together like an beatable co-op team. Reason, challenges feel smaller when shared. 18. I'll always be in your corner, cheering you on. Reason, positive support inspires perseverance. 19. You can rely on me. I won't disappear during the loading screen. Reason, consistency is part of true friendship. 20. I'll always be there when you need me because awesome comrades don't hit the leave party button. Reason, real friendship means staying supportive through good times and tough times. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.